Shut up and sit down.
Yo, people, welcome back to another Juice Review. Well, when I say Juice Review, it is that time of the month, people. It is Vape Mail time. Yes, it's the gold package. I love receiving this. I say it every single time I do this review. It's like winning the lottery or I've won some sort of prize. I love it. If you've not, or you don't know anything about Vape Mail, the way it works, it's a subscription, a monthly subscription for e-liquid. And they've got 3 different tiers. Now, I'll be sticking the tiers up just on the side so you can see exactly what you get. You get silver, gold, and platinum. The silver is $16.99, the gold is $27.99, and the platinum is $41.99. You get two Vape Mail flavors in the silver package. You get 4 in the gold, and you get 6 in the platinum. You also get your nick if you do take it, and that is nick salts as well. And depending on what package you get spins on a wheel, or you get coils and some other extra goodies. Like I said, they'll be coming up at the side so you can actually have a look. And we have got the gold package. And the way your nick comes in a little black baggie like that. Now, if you haven't done the short fills before, all you're going to do, get the bottle, take the top off if you do take nick, stick your nick shot in, give it a good old shake, leave it for 24 to 48 hours, and you're ready to go. Some people say after 30 minutes, but I would recommend to leave it at least 24 hours. Right then, I've already took the bottles out of the wonderful golden envelope. I don't know why I'm talking like that. And I've nicked them all up, and I've wicked. We've got fresh wick, we've got some proper coils in here. I did have them where I was doing them, yep, here we are. Some proper coils in all of them. Right, let's have a look at the flavours. And the first one is now the Vape Mail. They've got over 500 flavours. 500 flavours. And each package is different. So the first flavour we're going to be looking at is lemon and lime sorbet. And it says, "Somebody stop me." It's a little bit of monkey madness. I think it's supposed to be the mask. Childproof cap, all the warnings on all of them. Everything that should be there is there. The second flavour is a jammy biscuit, Fortune and Glory Kid. There we go. That's that one. The next one is crispy custard, sweet custard donut. You guys, hey you guys. It must be something off a Goonies, that it's supposed to be. There we go. Oh, you guys. Hey, you guys. And the last one, but not least, iced blue slush. Say my name. There we go. Right, let's get this review on the road. I don't know where that came from either. I'm just in one of the moods today. I don't know why. Right, we've got one of my favourite mods. It is the Chroma R with the Wasp Nano on top. Coming out at 0.18 ohms at 55 watts. This is the lemon and lime sorbet. Let's give it a vape and see what we think. Ooh. It sort of reminds me of lemon drops. You know them ones, them little sweets that you used to suck and then the top of your roof of your mouth used to go all bobbly? It sort of reminds me of them. You're sort of getting that lemon, but then the lime sort of changes it. And then there's a bit of either a cool lard or a bit of ice behind it. Yeah, it reminds me of one of them sweets. But the lime sort of changes the flavour on it. And like I said, as a kid, I always remember you used to suck them and then the top of your roof of your mouth used to go all bubbly. Not chemically, nice and smooth. I love lemon and lime vapes, and there's nothing wrong with that at all. Like I said, you're getting that lemon, you've got like an ice at the back, and you're getting the lime. I quite like that. There we go. and that is a lemon and lime sorbet. Right, on to the next flavour. We have got a jammy biscuit. Fortune and glory, kid. There we go. What we got this on? We've got it on the Lost Vape Back to Basics with the Kelpie RDA on top. Coming out at 60 watts at 0.26 ohms. Let's give it a vape and see what we think. Ooh. Now, with the name of it, Jammy Biscuit, I'm thinking like Jammy Dodger. You're getting that biscuit. It's not an overpowering biscuit, and then you're getting the jam. (70-30), plenty of vapor production. So you're getting that biscuit. And like I said, it's not an overly biscuit, and then you're getting that jam in there. Nice and smooth. Again, no chemically. Yeah, I quite like that. Like I said, it is quite a muted biscuit on there. You are getting that jam on the after. You're getting that tang of the strawberry jam. That's what you're getting. You're getting a bit of the tang. Yeah, it is a strawberry jam. You're getting that biscuit. It's there. You can taste it, but it is slightly muted. And you're getting, like I said, you're getting that jam there. It's not an all-day vapor for me because I'm not really into them sort of desserty, biscuity type of vapes. I'm more, like I said, the lemony lime ones. But yeah, not bad at all. Right, on to the next one is Crispy Custard. Sweet Custard Donuts. You guys. There we go. Right, what have we got this on? We've got it on the Wasp and Nano. On the Aegis Solo, coming out at 55 watts at 0.27 ohms. Let's give it a vape and see what we think. That's slightly different. That's not what I were expecting. You can getting that donut and you're getting the creaminess to the custard. But the donut isn't doughy, if you know what I mean. And when I've had donuts before, they're like really doughy, and this one isn't quite doughy, if that makes sense. Do you know what? I'll tell you what it reminds me of. A custard cream. That's what I'm sort of getting from it, like a custard cream. I can see where the donut's sort of coming from, but it's not like over doughy. You've got that custard as well. It's not an overly massive custard either. It's quite a muted custard, but you're getting that creaminess of the custard. Remember, taste is subjective, but to me, that tastes like a custard cream. Again, taste is subjective. It's not horrible, it's not chemically, and it's quite nice. I do like it. I could quite actually vape that one. There's nothing wrong with it, but I'm getting more custard cream than custard donut. That's just me. And the last but not least, this is the Iced Blue Slush. There we go. It's getting a bit vapey in here. I don't know if that's Breaking Bad bloke on there. I'm not quite sure. Right, what have we got this on? We've got it on the Aladdin RDA on the Cold Steel 100, coming out at 65 watts at 0.67 ohms. Let's give it a vape and see what we think. What we think? I don't know what's wrong with me today. That's got a nice bit of ice to it. You're definitely getting that blueberry. It's not a typical slush, this. You know, you get it with the blueberries. It's not a typical slush. This has got like, I think you could get the sweets, like 1p sweets, which were now about $5. I quite like that. That's really nice. It's more of a candy sort of slush. I know slushies are supposed to be like that, but it's got sort of like a different taste than what you think of as a slush that you'd get pulled. It has got the esque of a slush. You've got a nice bit of ice behind that as well. Very vapey. You've got some nice ice behind that. So you're getting like a blueberry, but it's more like a candy. It reminds me of a sweet more than actually the slush drink. That is really, really nice. Again, not chemically. Nice and smooth. Yeah, I really do like that. My favourite two are these two, which is the lemon and lime sorbet and also the iced blue slush. They're really, really nice. I like them too. Out of these two, I think I'd go for the crispy custard. It's the donut one, which actually reminded me more of a custard cream. And last but not least is the jammy biscuit. To me, it was a little bit muted. You could taste the jammer a little bit muted. Well, that's Vape Mail for you people. If you would like to get a subscription, get yourself over to Vape Mail. We'll put the web address down just there. I can't leave it in the description because YouTube don't like it. Get yourself over there. I think they're doing a deal. I think you get 40% off your first subscription or something like that. So get yourself over there. They've got plenty of deals. So that was October's Vape Mail. If you've liked the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. The subscribe button's in the corner. Give it a little press to get me to that new magic number. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Go and hit me up, people. And there's one last thing to say. I'm having the iced blue slush. Keep them juices flowing. Don't forget to check out my latest video. Also, don't forget to check out 3 Men and a Vape Show live at 8 PM every Wednesday. And also, if you've enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, ring that notification bell, and we'll catch you later.